Hi, my name is Nomagugu Twala, a beautiful lady born and bred in Flores. I am the founder of Uligugu Wellness, which is just that Uligugu Wellness. It's a company that serves purpose and merging gym with mental health, because overall the biggest muscle that one can train is that of your mind. So I am a personal trainer and one that found a gap in the personal training industry, because most people have the connotation that when you go to the gym you're just there to form muscle, which is like physical muscle, but of essence we mostly go there as an escape from all the things that we go through. So as also a person who has battled with mental illness for so long, I then found gym to be my escape, and not only my escape, by virtue it became my therapy. So I'm providing that ground and that bridge between gym, which is lifting weights, and just giving strength to your sanity, I guess, or mental health. You can get hold of me on my number 072-135-4894. Right now I do home calls, more so, hoping to branch out and vast on physical mobile gyms. But for now it's usually home calls 072-135-4894. Social media platforms, Nomagugu P Twala on my Instagram and also my Facebook. Email, it's precious.t23@gmail.com. precious.t23@gmail.com. If you are based in Flores in Tolagala at 282 Dube Road, Ezo. Hi, my name is Nomagugu Twala and I'm a township entrepreneur.